Should I find something new, or should I be tripping on you? These decisions ain't easy. Believe me, I know it's hard to read me. And I know these girls, I'm getting greedy. Cause I can't find one that knows how to.
What's up, Mimi gang? It's Mimi, and today I am back with another video for y'all today. And today, y'all, I know y'all read the title, and I am very excited for this video today. We are back with another mukbang. This time we got ourselves some Chick Fil A, y'all. I am really excited to do this video, and I hope you guys are eating some Chick Fil A too and having a good weekend. I hope a lot of you are staying blessed out there. So let's get into this video. So I have a spicy chicken sandwich with mac and cheese, fries, and I have a medium Diet Coke, y'all. And I apologize for the goofy string, y'all. They did not put any straws in the bag. So let's start digging in, y'all. I am hungry, and I also have barbecue and Polynesian sauce. And y'all, the funny thing I like to do, I like to mix the sauces together when I dip my fries in or when I dip my sandwich in. So I got my Polynesian, followed by my barbecue. Y'all, this is so liquidy. The Polynesian is so liquidy. Yeah, that's so good. Chick Fil A, honestly, it's like one of my favorite fast food restaurants. Like one of my best, besides Wendy's. Wendy's and Chick Fil A are both my favorite fast food restaurants. Now I'm gonna take my chicken sandwich and dip them in both the barbecue and the Polynesian. I would say one of my favorite things about Chick Fil A, besides their chicken sandwiches, is the mac and cheese, to be honest. I love the Chick Fil A mac and cheese, y'all. Even though we all know it'll never beat our parents' mac and cheese. Not gonna lie, no fast food cooking beats your parents' cooking. That is all the way 100. Like, nothing will ever beat your parents' cooking, ever. I'm not gonna lie, not even your own cooking, to be honest, because my cooking never beats my mom or my dad's cooking. So yeah, 2025 is coming up real soon, as a lot of us know, and I hope y'all prepared. I'm starting to get myself prepared though, because you know, new year, new beginnings, new opportunities for us to better ourselves, to become better people, and to do the things that we love. I've been seeing so many inspirational quotes on Instagram about 2025. Like, I feel like 2025 will really be my year where I start, you know, doing the things I want to do. Like, I plan on moving out this year, probably in the next 8 months or so. Trying to, be on my own, be responsible for myself, and just, get used to becoming an adult. Because I'm 20, y'all, and I'm going to be 21 in 2025. That's going to be the legal age for drinking, but that's like the official adult stage, I think. Because, 18 is the legal age for, a lot of things, but it's not the legal age, just to hit up clubs and everything, and not the legal age for drinking. But still, you can do many things when you're 18. Although I wouldn't encourage my viewers who are turning 18 to do anything reckless or anything. Because you also got to make sure, you're responsible enough to handle the things that you need to handle at that age. Yeah, before y'all go in on me about this little wig that I have in my hand, let me explain. I bought this wig off of Shein. It was a highlight ombre honey blonde wig, and it was cute. And I decided, you know what? I'm going to dye the hair green. I want to try a green color. So when I did that, I kind of had the same problem that I did with my last wig. If y'all seen my latest wig install video, I tried to dye my hair purple, and it didn't really dye the whole thing purple. But this time I let the wig sit in. I let it sit for about an hour or so, and it was all right. It's just the back. Like, after I finish this, let me show y'all the back of my wig. If y'all look at the back of my hair, y'all see those little brown and blonde patches? Yeah, that's what happens. And I used the whole bottle. Like, I boiled some water, used the whole bottle. After I finished bleaching the wig, I used the whole bottle, put it in some boiling water, right? And I put the whole wig in, and I let it sit for an hour. And I was a little disappointed. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's not that bad neither. So, yeah, I would never, again, buy a light wig from Shein. I'm only buying black wigs from Shein from now on. Every time that I feel like I just want to dye a wig, I'll just get whatever blonde wig I can find on Amazon at a fair price. I think this year, though, I'm actually gonna start taking a break from YouTube for a little while. I would say I'd give myself like a 2-month gap or something. Because this is kind of like a mental break for me. Y'all may not know this, but I recently quit my job. Because I think it was just having a huge impact on my mental health, And honestly, there are things that I just couldn't take no more. So yeah, I decided that I'm just gonna take a mental health break until like February probably. I think I'll start finding a new job in February because I still need money, So I'm not gonna be spending my money as much as I used to when I had my job. And I'm just gonna focus on myself, get myself better. I am now working out a little more. And, we all try to better ourselves almost every day. I got some barbecue sauce on me. But yeah, I would say this year has taught me some things that I do need to work on for myself. Definitely for myself. And honestly, one of the things I did learn was to know when to walk away. Like, if something's not for you, living up to your expectations, then you just gotta walk away from it. Because honestly, you can wait for it to get better, but if it just doesn't get better, just walk away from it. Excuse me, y'all. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all, my job did teach me a lot of things. Like, my job has taught me patience. My job has taught me patience and I can say that's it, patience, you know. Y'all, this Chick Fil A is so good, y'all. I love Chick Fil A. I want to be Chick Fil A. Yeah, I just said I want to be Chick Fil A. Oh my God. Yeah, those waffle fries are cutting the roof of my mouth. I probably should have put them in the microwave before. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really like this video. Hopefully you guys keep some of the things that I've shared with you in mind today about how you're gonna approach the new year. And I hope you guys really have a great new year. 2024 going on 2025. Let's get what you want. Let's get some paper. Get whatever you want to get. Go out there and get it. But yeah, I hope you guys really liked this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And you already know what to do. Turn the post notifications on to get notified for my latest video. Y'all already know. Follow me on all my socials. I will leave it in the link below. And see you in my next video. Love you, Mimi Gang. Stay blessed.